Good morning, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you Unit 4 Exploring Poetry. Before our poem, I want to give you short introduction of our poet, Miss Esther Samuel. Miss Esther Samuel was born in May 16, 1933 in the Oslo, Norway, and she died in November 20, 2015. She was an Israeli statistician and educator. She was a professor emeritus at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Now, dear students, I am going to explain our poem. This poem was compared with uh, trees, then trees, road, then life is compared with trees, kites, music, and roads. So, here, life. What is life? Life is a tree that grows well with love and care. In the first stanza, the poetess Miss Esther Samuel has made comparison of life with different things of for life is compared with a tree. Life goes on growing. When trees are growing like that, our life is also growing. When we born, that time we were small baby, but now we are growing every day. That's why we became elder. So the growth never stops, but it can be better if it is done with love and care. She talked growth for the trees, but our life is also like that only. If we get love and care, so we growth and we will become a good person. But if we didn't get any types of love or care, so maybe we will not become a good person. So we have to uh, give water and whatever needful things to that plants, so plant will become tree, small plant will become tree. In second stanza, life is a kite ready to fly in the air. In the second stanza, the poetess has compared life with a kite. Kite can fly in the sky. Can we? No. Our body is little bit heavy, but kite made by paper, so paper can easily fly in the air. As a kite continuously strives to go up in the air, every time that kite was struggling, not kite was struggling, actually we are struggling because we want that my kite, our kite will go in the sky and it can fly in the sky. So but kite is also struggling to go in the sky. Our life is also supposed to make progress towards high goals. We have to decide our goals in our life. If you will not decide your goal, so what will you do? You have to decide first your goal, and after then you have to do hard work, then you get success in your life. Third stanza, life is music if you know the notes to play. Here in this third stanza, the poetess said, life is compared with music because music always brings joy if the notes are played well. If notes, those what rhythms are played well, so we feel, we get joy, we get happiness in the world. All human beings on like that music. No one tell that I don't like music. Everyone like music. So we have to live our life, or we have to make our life like music. Stanza number 4. Life is a road with twists and turns on its way. My dear students, will you please tell me, have you seen roads? Yes, we have seen roads. They are not straight, are they? No, they are not straight. Sometimes they are going this side and that side, okay, and curved or twist means not straight, not straight. So, in the fourth stanza, life is compared with a road that never runs straight. Have you seen that? Have you seen straight road? No, because human life has to encounter or endure means something painful or difficult we have to do. Many ups and downs, many difficulties are coming in human lives. In it course, it is not always a bed of roses. Always we didn't get happiness. Sometimes we get sorrow. Sometimes we get sadness. Every time we didn't get happiness or straight way to go along without obstacles, or on the way, or in the life. Not only they are talking about way roads, but in the life also we get so many difficulties. We have to face it. If we will not face any difficulty, so how we know that what is the difficulties and what is the obstacles? We will simply we will live our life, and we will not face any difficulties, any problems. So we don't know how to solve it. That's why we have to face, and we are facing. Along the way, we may come across many twists. Twist means difficulties, bends, or turns, but one has to go along firmly. And finally, the poetess has left the verdict on an individual that life is what you make it. Now you have to see, how will you live your life? What is life? Life is what you make it your way. You have to make your life. Whatever goal you have decided, whatever you aim of your life, you have to get you have to get success for your goal or for your aim. I hope you understood this activity number 1.